This video is presented by VoiceOver article. A home equity loan is based on the equity of the home, and will also be calculated accordingly by the lending institutions to the borrowers. There are various types of home equity loans, and they must be chosen according to the capability of the debtor to repay the bank. Since the home is the biggest asset anyone can own, the individuals will naturally have to think twice before approaching any bank. Sometimes the home equity loans offered will have extra charges, and the borrower must not blindly agree to the terms of the lender. A lot of financial advice must be sought by the borrower before taking the plunge, as sometimes there may be hidden costs that he will be unaware of. While signing the papers with the lender, the borrower must be aware of what he is doing. At all the points during the process of applying for the home equity loans, the borrower should be very honest with the lender about his financial status as well as the amount he can pay monthly. If the lender is genuine, then he is most likely to advise the borrower about how much money he can take based on that. The borrower must also ensure that he will be able to pay the monthly installments. Not only should he be available to pay the installments on time, he should be able to have the amount every month so that he should not default in the payment. Since a good credit history is needed for this kind of loan, the borrower must be truthful with the lender even if there are a few hurdles. If he is, he will make sure that he is being eligible for the loan. While opting for a home equity loan, it is better for an individual to take the decisions on his own terms. He must not allow any agent or anyone else into forcing him to take the loan, as there may be certain hidden aspects to it. As much as possible, the borrower must approach the bank directly, and they will guide the person to the correct department even if the top officials are not available. The deeds of the property are the most important of the papers. Without the consultation of any legal advisor, a borrower must not blindly hand over his papers to anyone. He must also question the lender as much as possible, and if it's with the help of a legal advisor it is even better. Today there are several quick ways to decide upon the home equity loans. There are several websites that deal only with home equity loans, and they will be able to calculate the amount you need, with the interest and the monthly installments too. This will be helpful, as it will guide the person into deciding whether the loan is actually required or not, and whether he can pay back the amount. All other information about the best lending companies are available too. This video is presented by VoiceOver article.